Hello, my name is Lourdes, and in this video of From Reflection to Innovation Selfie MOOC, promoted by the Italian National Research Council and the Cyprus Pedagogical Institute in the context of Sherpa project, we will discuss what a selfie-based action plan is for improving your school's digital capacity. The selfie-based action plan is tailor-made and refers to an individual school as it is based on results from an exercise of a collective reflection through the selfie tool on the current state of your school's digital capacity. It comprises structure and interrelated activities with an explicit aim to improve specific aspects of the use of digital technologies for teaching and learning in the school at hand. Developing and implementing a self-based action plan is a participatory process coordinated by a small team, but involves the whole school community. So it is not a process that involves only some key staff members, for instance, school leadership team and some teachers, defining a shared vision and identifying the school needs, more or less from scratch, perhaps with a brainstorming session. On the contrary, the selfie-based action plan is firmly grounded on the evidence the school gains when school leaders, teachers, and students participate in the process of collective reflection through the selfie tool. The evidence-based plan must be a standalone document that proposes activities that typically can be enacted and completed within a single school year, although in some cases can even last longer, up to 3 years. As its name implies, the action plan must define what needs to be done, and it must be actionable. It must set priorities and goals for pursuing improvements aligned to these priorities. It must describe the actions that are to be taken to achieve the defined goals and priorities. It must specify who will be responsible, the resources needed, the implementation timeline for performing and completing the action, the expected outcomes, how the action will be monitored and evaluated. The activities included in the plan will be run, monitored and modified where necessary, and evaluated for their impact on advancing the use of digital technologies for teaching and learning in your school. And as the plan must include provisions for monitoring and evaluating its impact, the review of those impact results can help you refine and develop it even further, opening up a cyclical approach of a school-wide reflection through selfie for reviewing the outcome of that plan's success and impact, bringing the process into a full circle or even successive loops. So, the school selfie-based action plan could be an integral part of an overall school improvement plan or linked to other education policies, frameworks set for your schools in your region or country.